Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Honda Civic. We're talking about that generation here, year 2016 to year 2021. If you guys need to find where the ignition switch fuse is located, the ignition fuse guys, you have 3 fuses that you need to check in 2 different fuse boxes, and 2 of those fuses are special. Make sure to stay until the end. We'll explain even where you can buy them from so you don't waste your money, or they could be really hard to find, and why it's important to test fuses and relays so you don't waste your time and money. All that will be covered today for your convenience. Before we start guys, let me tell you a little bit about us. On this channel you will be able to find guys a video for every fuse on your Honda Civic guys, if you have that generation from year 2016 to year 2021. Why we make these videos? To save you time and money. Let's say you're down the road, you need a fuel pump fuse, because without that fuse practically the car will not be running if it's blown. You can just search for it and find it instantly and know which fuse to check, because even in the manual, okay, the fuses are under different names that could be really hard to diagnose. Now, another thing guys, we're constantly working on things, taking engines apart, transmissions, fixing cars, and we have 3 channels that we have more than 1.1 million subscribers altogether on these channels guys, that we daily put content that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs as well. So let's go ahead, explain now where you can find all the fuses. Another thing now here guys, okay, you will have different kind of fuses on your Honda Civic guys. Some of those could be really hard to find. Okay, we're talking about some multi-block fuses right here. Those could be really expensive, hard to find, impossible to find in small towns or in the middle of nowhere. Relays can be overpriced as well. So we'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get practically all the fuses and relays at a really good price and quick shipping as well. That way you don't waste your money guys. So let's go ahead, start on it and explain about the fuses now. 3 fuses we'll need to check for the ignition switch. The first one is super easy to find. Okay, we're going to come right here guys. Okay, we're going to demonstrate on this 2017 Honda Civic. The fuse box that we'll need today guys, okay, will be in the vehicle. If you look upside down under the dash on the driver's side, you're going to notice a fuse box like that next to the OBD port. Now we're going to zoom in a little bit before we continue guys. Let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays, that way you don't waste time and money. So let me explain why it's super important guys to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So let's explain now guys, okay, what we have here. We're going to show you now guys here the fuse that we'll need will be, you can see on this row we have fuse number 1 through 13, 14 through 26. We have fuse number 21, so 1, 2, so 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21 guys. Okay, right here. So 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. That 10 amp fuse will need to be checked for the ignition switch. Then things get interesting. We need to go under the hood. You're going to open the fuse box under the hood. We have that fuse box right here. That's the cover guys. And if you open that cover, you're going to see a fuse box that looks like that. Now we're going to zoom in a little bit so we can clearly show you what we have here specifically guys, okay, because it could be hard to see. Now here we'll need to check 2 fuses specifically guys, okay. 2 fuses will need to be checked. First will be known as fuse number 1. We're talking about that huge fuse right here, that multi-block fuse. We'll have a link in the description of the video below where you can buy those special fuses from, because they could be really hard to find or expensive. In this fuse, you need to, the only way to practically check those is by removing the bolt and pulling the fuse out, and it consists of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 fuses. The one that you need to check starting from the top will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That 30 amp fuse right here, okay, will be the one that you will need to check. Then you have another one which is known as fuse number 2 in this row right here, and here you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 fuses. First one is 70 amps in our case, the second one is 30 amps right here. That's the one that you will need to check guys, okay, that 30 amp fuse. And here we'll need to check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that 30 amp fuse. those 30 amp fuses will need to be checked, guys. Another thing, guys, okay, let me show you what those fuses look like. Okay, they're those multi fuses, guys. You can see the different components. So the one that we had now, okay, will be, you can see, okay, right there, and that's the big fuse right here, one. So that will be this fuse right here that we'll check. So you can see when you remove them, you can clearly see them. So hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.